Come on.
Ending the day with that.
Does this hold us?
You know, yeah. You ready for lunch?
What's up, you guys? So I'm doing my Hello Body treatment again today. So I just finished washing my face with the Cocoa Fresh face wash, and now I have my Cocoa Clear mud mask on, as you can see. So this mask you just need to use like twice a week for optimal results, and just leave it on for like 15 minutes, and it just clears out all your pores, makes it harder for blackheads to show up, and makes the pores smaller, and then you just rinse it with water. So I'm gonna go do that really quick. So now I just have on my lips this Cocoa Kiss. It's a lip scrub, and you just scrub it around and then rinse it off, and it leaves your lips feeling super, super smooth and looking very bright and fresh, and it tastes really good. And then after that, I just like to put on this lip balm. It's super moisturizing, and it feels really nice. So don't forget, you guys can still use my discount code right here, and let me know if you guys are trying out these products. Maybe we can exchange some beauty tips. Okay, we're here in Quito. It's our breakfast. Look at this, looks so good. And a sick view.
Look at all of this fruit. Oh my god.
We drove like 7 hours, and now we're on a